If humans had 4 lungs instead of 2, several physiological changes would occur. Here are some potential consequences and benefits of having 4 lungs. Increased oxygen intake. With 4 lungs, the total lung capacity would likely increase, allowing for a greater intake of oxygen. This could potentially enhance athletic performance, endurance, and overall physical capabilities. Improved oxygen exchange. More lung surface area would be available for gas exchange, resulting in more efficient oxygen uptake and carbon dioxide removal. This could lead to improved respiratory function and better overall health. Enhanced tolerance to lung damage. With 4 lungs, individuals might have an increased ability to withstand lung damage or diseases affecting the respiratory system. The additional lungs could compensate for the loss of function in 1 or more lungs, potentially reducing the severity of respiratory conditions. Reduced breathing rate. The increased lung capacity might enable individuals to achieve adequate oxygenation with fewer breaths, leading to a decreased breathing rate at rest. This could have potential benefits in terms of relaxation and stress reduction. Potential for increased vulnerability. Having 4 lungs could make individuals more prone to lung-related diseases or infections. The additional lungs could provide extra opportunities for pathogens to enter the respiratory system, increasing the risk of respiratory illnesses. Structural and organ changes. Accommodating 4 lungs would require significant anatomical changes. The chest cavity would likely need to expand to accommodate the additional organs, which could impact the shape and size of the rib cage and the positioning of other organs in the thoracic cavity. It's important to note that these speculations are based on the assumption that the human body could adapt to having 4 lungs. However, in reality, the human body is not naturally designed for this arrangement, and the effects of such a change would be purely hypothetical.